Hey, what is up? What do we have here? We have the Wahl 5-star series Magic Clip Cordless Clippers. Haven't opened the box yet. We're going to do that together. This video is probably going to be geared more for people who are interested in picking up a pair of Magic Clips and aren't sure whether or not these clippers are good for them, and they're just doing some market researching. Let's get into it. Let's open it up together and see what we got inside. Right out the box, we've got the clippers. This is nice. I like this. This is actually my first pair of cordless trimmers. This is nice. Look at the gold. Wow, I really like this. So you got from previous videos I've watched, a lot of YouTubers have mentioned the thumb placement right here, and the beveled edges right here, so that your fingers can fit into it. Right off the bat, I could tell that these are much lighter than my seniors compared to the Fat Masters I use. These are way heavier, and even the Fade Masters, it is feather light. I could see working with this all day. Wouldn't be tiresome whatsoever. It wouldn't be a strain on your wrists. This is really, really nice. I can't lie. What else do we have in the box here? Turn this around this way. Put this over here. We've got the adapter, Wahl adapter. Wahl adapter. We've got the Wahl adapter, the power adapter. It comes with two guards, 1/16 and 3/16. Comes with a little oil dropper and a little brush to clean it out. Comes with a nice comb, nice white comb. It's Wahl as well. What else about this trimmer is going on? Apparently, from what I've read, these actually have the same motor as the Wahl Seniors. I can't see how that's possible because these things are light. Let's do the sound check. I'm not sure if these are charged up, but let's do it. Not sure if you guys can hear that. I like this. And it also comes with the staggered tooth. The staggered tooth right here on the bottom. So it's got one long tooth, a short tooth, a long tooth, a short tooth, a long tooth, a short tooth on the cutting blade right here. These are really nice. A lot of people have told me that these were the best on the market to pick up as my first cordless trimmer, and I really do think this is a great purchase. Again, I haven't used them. I just unboxed it, and I really like these already, so I can't wait to try them out. I've noticed that this is usually the first part that rubs off, I guess, after spraying Barbicide on their clippers or Wahl Andis Cool Care, that it starts to wear away. But we'll see how they stand up to the test of time. Anyways, that's what you got here. You got the Wahl Magic Clip Cordless Clippers. Hey guys, let me know what you guys' first cordless trimmer or clipper was, and how it stood up to time. Anyways guys, this is Stylists, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Woo, I can't wait to use these ones. I'm out. Damn. This video, I did lift up the packaging and found the other guards. I was sitting here looking at the box, and I was like, how is it that there's only 2 guards inside this box when the picture says it includes 8 other guards? Well, 8 guards in total, and the other ones were hidden under the bottom. So yeah, I thought I'd just add that in at the end. Thanks for watching.